Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to start up the new chapter of class 10 SSLC second language Kannada, that is Asi Masi Krushi. ಪ್ರಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ SSLC ಗದ್ಯ ಪಾಠ 2 ಅಸಿ ಮಸಿ ಕೃಷಿ ಎಂಬ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. Here I am going to teach you this chapter into 2 sessions, if not maximum 3 sessions children. हम इस चैप्टर को 2 सेशंस या 3 सेशंस में कवर करेंगे. इन all our regional languages I am going to speak now here onwards. I will be going to speak in Kannada, English as well as in Hindi. In all the 3 languages I am going to speak children. So that you need to understand the concept crystal clear. That is what the main objective of mine and even this platform. Here first we are going to study the entire chapter, each and every contents in detail. ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನ ವಿಷಯ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅದಾದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಾಟ್ what we have to do is we are going to discuss the question and answers related to this chapter. Okay, so without wasting much time, let we start this lesson. And remember children, this chapter is one of the very most important chapter. Why? Because even you can expect a question for long answer carrying marks. You can expect a question which carries long answers, like 3 mark question you can expect from this chapter. And also we have to learn this chapter not only for the purpose of marks. Even this all chapters speaks something moral story to us. हम ये जो भी चैप्टर्स पढ़ रहे हैं इसको इससे हमारे को कुछ सीखना भी है. खाली जस्ट मार्क्स स्कोर करना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, उससे हम सीखना है और हमारी डेली लाइफ में हम उसको इस्तेमाल भी करना है. Even we have to utilize these things in our daily life also. Let's begin this chapter. ಅಸಿ ಮಸಿ ಕೃಷಿ. ಈ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಬರೆದ ಕವಿಯ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀ ಪಂಡಿತಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಶಿವಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಆಥರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಪಂಡಿತಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಶಿವಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು. And even this Kavi Parichaya is also important children. Before we start up this chapter, I like to give you some basic things related to this chapter. The first basic important concept is about the author. You want to know what is he, when he born, which place he has born, and what are the things he has written, and for what purpose he is so much popular. Are you getting my point? So these all the things we want to study. That is called as Kavi Parichaya. For your final board exam, you can expect a question for around 3 marks. That is Kavi Parichaya. First, let me see those things. About the author, let me study some things. Okay, some important concepts. See children, Kavi Parichaya. Dr. Shri Panditaradhya Shivacharya Swamigalu 1951ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾವೇರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ರಾಣಿಬೆನ್ನೂರು ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಹೆಡಿಯಾಲ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. Sir has born in the year 1951. Place ಹಾವೇರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ರಾಣಿಬೆನ್ನೂರು ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಹೆಡಿಯಾಲ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. So this is the place of birth. Is this clear? ಇವರು ಸಾಣೆಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, this is the place, okay, this is the name of the place, ಈ ಜಗಹ का नाम है. ಇವರು ಸಾಣೆಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಂಗಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿ, he has made a institute over there. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಟಕೋತ್ಸವ, ಶಿವ ಸಂಚಾರ, ವಿಚಾರ ಸಂಕಿರಣ, ವರ್ಷದ ಹರ್ಷ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಸಂಜೆ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಘಟಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He has made the institution. From that every year he is organizing these all programs. Okay, हर साल ये programs, ये events को वो organize कर रहे हैं. Is this clear? ಇವರು 60ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವೈಚಾರಿಕ ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sir has written more than 60 ಕೃತಿಸ್ over there. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ in that almost more than 60 he has written. In that the very famous novels are ಜೀವನ ದರ್ಶನ ಕೈದೀವಿಗೆ, ಹುಟ್ಟು ಸಾವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ, ಸಮಾಧಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ, ಕಾಯಕ ದಾಸೋಹ, ಪ್ರಳಯ, ಮುಂದೇನು, ಸುಖ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅರಿವಿನ ಅಂತರಾಳ, ಬಸವ ಧರ್ಮ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಪ್ರಬಂಧ ಸಂಕಲನಗಳು, ಅಂತರಂಗ ಬಹಿರಂಗ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ, ಜಂಗಮದೆಡೆಗೆ, ಅಂಕುಶ, ಇವು ನಾಟಕಗಳು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡ್ರಾಮಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡ್ರಾಮಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಟನ್. ಶಿವಾನುಭವ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಕಥನವಾಗಿದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ 100 ವಚನಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈವನ್ ಸರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ವಚನಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ participated in many programs, events, and also he is very famous author also. He has written many books also. Got it? Very good. Next, ಇವರ ರಂಗ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಾಟಕ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯು ಗೌರವ ಫೆಲೋಶಿಪ್. Children, this paragraph is very, very, very important for your 1 mark questions. So you should not miss these points. Is this clear? Understood? You have to underline these points. Ranga Sadhanege means because of this cultural activities what he was organizing for those purpose, Karnataka Nataka Academy, Karnataka Drama, that is Nataka means drama academy, has been honored with Gaurava Fellowship. Gaurava Fellowship award has been given to sir. Next, Karnataka Sarkarada Rajyotsava Prashasti, Kuvempu Vishwavidyanilaya Gaurava Doctorate. It has been awarded with doctorate. Okay, so only sir has been titled with Dr. Shivacharya Swamigalu. Understood? So doctor word is been given because of the Kuvempu Vishwavidyanilaya has been awarded doctorate certificate for sir. Hagu Antararashtriya means international Rotary ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಪಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? किसको पॉल हैरिस अवार्ड दिया गया था? डॉक्टर शिवाचार्य स्वामीगलु. अंडरस्टूड? सो फॉर हिम दिस अवार्ड इज बीन हॉनर्ड. इवरू रंगजंगम. सी चिल्ड्रन, by this word, by this name sir is famous. Many peoples are recognizing him. बहुत से लोग उनको इस नाम से पहचानते थे. Are you getting my point? वो कौन सा नाम था? ರಂಗಜಂಗಮ. ಇವರು ರಂಗಜಂಗಮ ಎಂದು ಖ್ಯಾತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಹಸಿಮಸಿ ಕೃಷಿ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಲೇಖನವನ್ನು ಅವರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಎಂಬ ಪ್ರಬಂಧ ಸಂಕಲನದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ, ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸರ್, related to the author. Are you getting my points? Yes. Now childrens, now we are going to study some meanings, some important meaning, that is padagala artha. Let me see what are those points. That is first point. Can you see this childrens? Anekattu. Anekattu. Anekattu means nadige adda kattiruva tadegode. It means, have you seen Nadi means river or dams, you may have seen the big walls is been constructed either sides, right? पानी को खड़ाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? बड़े बड़े दीवार को लगाते हैं. लेकिन डैम्स को भी आप देखे होंगे, बड़े बड़े दीवार से उसको बनाया जाता है. Are you getting my point? ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗೋಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಗೋಡೆಗಳು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟು. Are you getting my point? Next, asi. Understood? Giving return to them itself, like that. Krutagna. See children, here we have two words. This is the word Krutagna. Can you see this children? This is Gna and this is Gna. Can you see this? This is Gna and this is Gna. This Gna means helpful. This Gna means selfish. He is not remembering his help. अब मेरे को कोई साथ दिया है, मैं उसको भूल जाता हूँ, उसका साथ मैं भूल जाता हूँ. कोई मेरे को मदद करके है, मैं उसकी मदद को भूल गया. जब उसका वक्त आएगा तो मैं उसको मदद नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That is this Gna. Are you getting my point? ಯಾರು ನಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ನಾವು ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ Gna. ನಾವು ಆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈವನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದೆಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ Gna. Are you getting my point? Almost I hope you may have seen, we have already used these words in your first chapter Varnamarada Gidi. Krutagna. So what is this gna here? That is upakara smarne illadiruvavanu. Upakara smarne. Upakara means help. The one who has done the help, we are forgetting his help. You can see example like you people only. See the teachers, how they are going to help you throughout the year. But after your exams, what you will do? You will forget at all. You will forget them itself. Right? You may have seen. I have seen so many students. Okay. So throughout year, sir, good morning, sir. Sir, good afternoon, sir. Sir, good night, sir. Like this. After some days, after exam has been done, if teacher is walking in front of you itself, you will forget to wish them at all. Right? आप उनको भूल जाते हैं. उनको एटलीस्ट एक रेस्पेक्ट देना वो भी भूल जाते हैं. So children, you are not supposed to do. What they will do, you know, after even some students I have seen today in the classroom, sir, good morning. Only this much tone. After exam, sir, good morning, sir. So this tone will come. So children, never you have to forget your teachers, your elders, your friends, the people who all have helped you. You never have to forget them. So this is what our humanity teaches. Are you getting my point? Anyways, next is durakramana. Durakramana means mosada dali. Means someone is hunting us or someone is fighting with us. Are you getting my point? That is called as mosada dali. Dali is nothing but attack. Dali means attack. Understood? You may have seen in the बहुत राजा महाराजा के दिनों के अंदर कोई एक सिपाही होता था जो अपोजिट टीम में रहता था, उनको जाके सिखा के पूरा सीक्रेट्स उनको बोल देते थे, जिससे वो क्या करते थे, पीछे से आकर हमला करते थे. Are you getting my point? That is called as mosada dali. Mosa means what? Cheating. Mosa is nothing but cheating. So they are attacking by cheating. That is called as mosada dali. Next is nirashavadi. Nirashavadi means ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೆ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡವ. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೆ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡವ. It means what? Some people you have seen, just one small test they will fail or one exam they will fail, as they think like their entire life is gone. Sir, I am not going to live at all, sir. No, everything gone, sir. No, I won't live at all, sir. That is what? That kind of feeling will generate. That is called as ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೆ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡವ. Means no more my life is there. They feel like that. Nothing is there in front of me. Are you getting my point? Not Romeo Juliet. Okay? That is different story. But still it is related to that. Anyways, next is bhavane. Bhavane means what? Tondare, kasta. Kasta means what, children? Kasta is nothing but problems. That is called as bhavane, problems. And after that, masi. Children, one thing. Here, sorry, kadga. Here, asi means kadga. And here, sorry, asi means I said you kadga, right? Here, kadga means sword. Sorry. Kadga means sword. Yuddha. Kadga means, sorry, it is, kadga is nothing but sword. War. And here we have a word shai. Here we have a word masi means, can you see this word masi? Masi means shai. Shai means ink. That is nothing but, from the ink they are going to write the history. That is sahitya rachane. Sahitya rachane means literature. We are going to write the complete story about that king, all those things. That is called as sahitya rachane. Okay. Shai. Shai means what, children? It is ink. Sahitya rachane. Metigam. See, children, metigam means vakkalu kanada ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಂಬ. Children, what is this meaning? Let me see. You may have seen in the agricultural field. In the agricultural field, एक field के अंदर जैसे कि समझो कि आपको एक रागी पिकाकर है. You have grown ragi. Understood? Now we want to remove the ragi, right? We have to filter, right? All grass separate and ragi separate. So what they will do, understood? To separate ragi and grass separately in the field, what they will do, in the center of the field they will fix a pole. एक खंबे को खड़ा डालते हैं बेटा. खंबे को खड़ाने के बाद में एक बैल, one cow, what they will do, they will tie for this pole. Understood? That cow is been tied with the pole. Understood? After that one more cow will be there. Again that also is tied with the pole. और एक बैल रहती है बेटा, उसको भी हम पोल से बांध देते हैं. ऐसा बहुत से बैल को बांध देते हैं. एक आदमी क्या करता है, one person what he will do, he will just make this cow to move. ये काऊ को क्या करता है, हकालता है, सामने भेजता है. तो क्या होते हैं, ये सारे बैल जो है उसको क्या करते हैं, फॉलो करते हैं. सो ऑल द काउज विल रोटेट ऑन दैट फील्ड. इट मींस they will put on the open surface, on the plain surface, they will put that grass which is holding that ragi. So the cows what they will do, they will just move on that grass. उसके ऊपर खुनलने के क्या करते हैं, वो मूव होते रहते हैं. वो खुनलने की वजह से क्या होता है, उसके अंदर का जो रागी है वो नीचे हो जाता है, ग्रास जो है वो ऊपर आ जाता है. So that easily they can filter it. Still some they are using some manure, all those things. It's a very big process. This is what actually they used to done. Understood? To remove that ragi from that grass, what they will do, they will move those cows on that grass. So that what happens, due to that movement, what happens, the grass will get separated and that ragi will come separate. That is what the meaning of this metigum. समझ में आया बेटा? जब बैल को हम इस ग्रास के ऊपर चलाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो राउंड होते होते क्या होता है, ग्रास पूरा पीछे आता है, रागी पूरा एक जगह कलेक्ट हो जाता है, जिससे हम बाद में क्या कर सकते हैं, झाड़ू से वगैरह से उस ग्रास को हम धूल के जैसा बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. जब धूल के जैसा वो ग्रास बाहर निकल गया तो लेफ्ट आउट पार्ट इज रागी. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो यूजुअली दिस विल बी डन इन द विलेजेस, बट नाउअडेज वी हैव गॉट ऑल मशीनरीज which is doing this all process, but still some villages are there, they are following this system. That is called as metigum. Understood? Next, Satparinama means what? Valleya Parinama means good result. Good result. Harita means what? Chupada means sharp. Harita means Chupada is nothing but sharp. Are you getting, children? Next is Ativrushti. Next part is what? Ativrushti. Ativrushti means what? ಅಗತ್ಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳುವುದು. मोर देन व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द रेनफॉल इज गोइंग टू हैपन. हम कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उससे ज्यादा बारिश पड़ रहा है, उसको बोलते हैं अतिवृष्टि. मोर देन व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द रेनफॉल इज गोइंग टू हैपन. उत्प्रेक्षे मीन्स व्हाट? अधिकವಾಗಿ ವರ್ಣಿಸುವುದು. अधिकವಾಗಿ ವರ್ಣಿಸುವುದು मीन्स वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग अबाउट समथिंग मोर देन एनफ. अधिकವಾಗಿ ವರ್ಣಿಸುವುದು. ವರ್ಣಿಸುವುದು is nothing but we are expressing, we are telling about something more than what we want to say. Next is Vakkaliga. Vakkaliga means what? Krushika, Raita. It's nothing but farmer. Next is Gulama. Gulama means Adiyalu, means servant. Nashvara, Nashisu, Illavagu. Nashvara means what, children? Nashisu atava Illavagu means don't want. Are you getting my point? Even we can say Nashisu means something we are using kind of a drugs or something. Nashisu or Illavagu. Are you getting my point? That is nothing but we call it as Nashvara. Understood? Nashvara is nothing but Nashisu, Illavagu. We don't want. All those things will come over there. Next is budget. Budget means what? Ayavyada Samatolana Patti. I hope you have seen the budget. Every year the government will release the budget. This much amount has to be given for this department. This much budget has to be given for this department. They will divide the money for different purposes. That is what called as budget. Next is Bikku. Bikku means what? Alu means cry. Meti means Vyavasaya. That's nothing but agriculture. Rate means chakra, means wheel. Rate means wheel. Next is Sarvadhikari. Adhikara ಒಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು means the complete power is under one hand, is under one person. That one person ruling the complete country, complete area, complete system. That is called as adhikara ಒಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು. If you see the North Korea, right? So there is no, except one person, the complete country is not ruling with other departments. Only one person is ruling the complete country. That is called as adhikara ಒಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು. He is called as Sarvadhikari. Any doubts? Is this clear, children? So this is what the meanings what we are going to study in this chapter. Now let us start this chapter in detail. Pata Pravesha. Children, what is the meaning of Pata Pravesha? that is nothing but this chapter introduction. What is the purpose we want to study this chapter? What exactly this chapter has? Have you seen the movies? Right? Before any movie is been released, they will show the intro. In that intro, the complete story will be there. Right? That's a small clip that describes the complete story, so that the person will get an interest. Oh, is it? Oh, it's so horrible movie. It's so interesting. Let me to watch in detail full movie. So here also I am showing the intro of this movie. So after listening this intro, definitely you will get that kind of an interest to know still more the complete story in detail. That is what Pata Pravesha. Let me start, children. Bharata Krushi Pradhana Rashtra. Right? Our country, our lovely country is, which is our lovely country? That is India, Bharata. Krushi Pradhana Rashtra means in our country, in India, we can see more agriculture is going to happen. It's going to take place, right? हाँ, हमारी country में बहुत agriculture होता है इधर पे. Next, रैತ ದೇಶದ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬು. Very important word. You should not forget this. ರೈತ ದೇಶದ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬು. See, children, the backbone of our country, our country completely is depending on what? Raita, on farmer, on agriculture. Are you getting my point? So, Raita, Deshada, Bennulubu. Halligala Abhiruddhiye, Deshada Abhiruddhi, very important word. Halligala Abhiruddhiye, Deshada Abhiruddhi ಎಂದು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. If I ask you, what will you do if I give all powers in your hand? आप क्या करेंगे? सारे पावर्स मैं आपके हाथ में दूंगा. आप कैसा हमारी कंट्री को डेवलप करेंगे? Then you may have seen many people have different things. Many people have different feelings. I will do this to develop my country. I will do that to develop this country. Right? But here Mahatma Gandhi ji was saying that if you want to develop the country, first improve the villages. First develop the villages. Are you getting my point? First develop the infrastructure of the villages. If you are developing the villages, definitely our country also will develop. That is what Mahatma Gandhiji's thinking was there at that time. Are you getting my point? Halligala Abhiruddhiye, villages development is nothing but Deshada Abhiruddhi, is nothing but our country's development. Villages development is nothing but country's development. ಆದರೆ ಇಂದು ರೈತರ ಬದುಕು ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಟುಡೇ ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್. ರೈಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೋವೇರ್. ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ those farmers, the one who is giving us the food, he is in the problem. He is already in the problem. We can see how they are alive, how their work is, everything we can see. ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಸುಖದ ಬದುಕು ಸಿಗದೆ ರೈತ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. See, children, if a person has to live, some basic needs are required. एक इंसान जीना हो तो उसको क्या चाहिए? 3 टाइम का खाना चाहिए, सुकून की जिंदगी चाहिए और रहने के लिए छत चाहिए. राइट? एंड क्रेडिट शुड नॉट बी देयर. कर्ज नहीं होना है. लेकिन फार्मर्स क्या है? हर चीज से प्रॉब्लम है. ना उसके पास ठीक से घर है. राइट? ही डजंट हैव ए प्रॉपर हाउस. So much credit is already there on him. He will grow some crops because of through insects or some birds. If there is no proper rainfall happens, the complete agricultural field is been vanished. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಆವಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಶವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ಸಾಲ ತೀರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್. ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಡೈ. ಅವನ ಗೋಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವರಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್. ನೋ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್. ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಮೂಲ ಕೃಷಿ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್? ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಮೂಲ ಕೃಷಿ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು. Are you getting, children? If you want to develop our country, what is one more important factor which is responsible to develop our country? That is Krishi. That is agricultural field. Krishi is important. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷಿ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಕುಂಠಿತಗೊಂಡರೆ ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನು ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿದ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳು ಸೋರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತವೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Say, children, if agricultural field is not there, farmers will not be there. If farmers are not there, even the big million industries which we have got, right, even those also will not be there. If you want to open a big industry, if you want to open a factory, you want the raw materials, right? Without the raw materials, how can you do the business? How can you make the different products? No, it is not at all possible. Are you getting my point? If agricultural field and farmers, if they are not there, then they won't get any raw materials. If there is no raw material, then there will be no factory, then there will be no industry. Because everyone are depending on agricultural field. They are depending on farmers. We should not forget this thing. Are you getting my point? समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Understood? हर चीज किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? फार्मर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड है. अगर से फार्मर्स ने है वो अगर से फील्ड में कुछ क्रॉप्स को ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हैं या फील्ड में कुछ पिका नहीं रहे हैं तो कोई भी इंडस्ट्री या ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ नहीं चलेगी. ದೇಶದ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನಿಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಹಿರಿದಾಗಿದೆ. You can see, if you want to protect our country, who is an important person? That is a soldier, right? Soldier, day and night, he is serving us. He is serving us. And he is protecting us from the enemies. Understood? If you want to protect our country, soldiers are important. ವೈರಿಗಳ ದಾಳಿಗೆ ಧೃತಿಗೆಡದೆ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಗಡಿಯುವ ಯೋಧನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಪಾರ ಅಭಿಮಾನವಿರಬೇಕು. So always we have to thankful to them. We have to proud on them. We have to feel proud on those people, right? Day and night, how those people are helping our country. How those people are protecting us from all the enemies. Are you getting my point, children? So we have to respect them. We all have to respect them. ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೃಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾವಲಂಬನೆ ಸಾಧಿಸದ ದೇಶದ ಮುನ್ನಡೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. Are you getting, children? See, children, so beautiful words these all are. It's so beautiful things. Again, I am going to repeat this word. Really, it's so interesting. You can see here, ದೇಶದ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನಿಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಹಿರಿದಾಗಿದೆ. ವೈರಿಗಳ ದಾಳಿಗೆ ಧೃತಿಗೆಡದೆ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಗಡಿ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಪಾರ ಅಭಿಮಾನವಿರಬೇಕು. ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೃಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೃಷಿ, this both. ರಕ್ಷಣೆ means protection, ಕೃಷಿ means agricultural field, that is farming. Are you getting my point? This protection and farming ಸ್ವಾವಲಂಬನೆ ಸಾಧಿಸದೆ ದೇಶದ ಮುನ್ನಡೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. Without these two things, our country cannot grow or it cannot move at all. If there is no production, if there is no agriculture, then our country cannot move further. Even we also can't grow. Even our country also cannot grow without these two things. Are you getting my point? Understood, children? So these two pillars are very important. Which are the two pillars? That is rakshane ಹಾಗೂ ಕೃಷಿ. ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೃಷಿ ಸ್ವಾವಲಂಬನೆ ಸಾಧಿಸದೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದೇಶದ ಮುನ್ನಡೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕುವ ರೈತ ಹಾಗೂ ಯೋಧನ ಬದುಕು ಹಸನುಗೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿಜೀವಿಗಳು ಶ್ರಮಿಸಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ and also about the farmers. Understood, children? So these two peoples are like, they are, without them we are nowhere. Then see how much those people may be important. ठीक है बेटा? आज हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है तो कैसा हम जिंदगी कर सकते हैं? इसी तरह से अगर से ये दो चीज भी हमारे पास नहीं है तो हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं रहे जैसा. Are you getting my point? So you need to remember, even our government and the good peoples, good administrations have to think on these things, how to improve them, how to make those people happy. First we have to make those people happy, then even our life also will be very much happy. Are you getting, children? Very good. ಸಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ರಚನೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಯೋಧ ಹಾಗೂ ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮಬಲವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. See, children, you may have seen, even like your teachers, while they are teaching something, they will give you some moral stories, right? Yes or no? That is called as, some people have written some beautiful novels, some beautiful poems, or beautiful stories. We listen to that. So what happens? Of a particular the time, even we also feel like, yes, I also want to do that. So that kind of encouragement we will get by reading some books, by reading some stories, by reading some novels. Understood? You all have to practice a habit of reading the books. Understood? If you read something, if you listen something, definitely that will also encourage you. That will also make you to go into deep. If not, what happens? You will be sleeping like this only. See, teacher will be teaching, but you will be like this. What is the use? Understood? So those moral stories are very important, children. You should not feel bad. Understood? You have to read the books, read the novels, read the stories. That will give you some kind of entertainment, as well as it also gives you something dynamically. You can change your life. One small incident, sometimes it can change the entire life of a person. Understood? So many people have already done these things. They have जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं बेटा, किसी के बारे में हम सुनते हैं तो ऐसा थे, वैसा थे, ऐसा करे थे, तो हमारे अंदर भी एक फीलिंग आ जाती है, वो ऐसा किया, मैं भी ऐसा बनना है, मेरे को भी ऐसा ही बनना है. That one small clip, that small content has changed the entire life of a person. So sahitya that's nothing but history speaks a lot. History tells us a lot. History makes us also a lot. So history is history only. So don't make that any other thing. Anyways, ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಕು. ದೇಶದ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯು ಯೋಧ, ರೈತ, ಸಾಹಿತಿ ಈ ಮೂವರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಈ ಲೇಖನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಂಬಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. If you want to develop a country, on what are the factors it is depending? On three things now. Now we got three important things. If you want to develop a country, you have to develop a soldier, a farmer, and even the literature. Understood, children? Even you have to give more interest on science and technology as well as your social science. It gives us so many things so that we can change our life. That is what we are going to study in this chapter. Are you getting my point? So in the next session, I'll be going to start the chapter Asi Masi Krushi in detail. Children, now I am going to stop here this session. Still, if you have got any doubts, you can ask me. You can comment here about this session. How was it? How much it was useful for you? How much it was helpful for you? If I have done something grammatical mistake, I am extremely sorry. But I try my level best to give you a proper information. If any of my words, if it has been hurted to you, I am extremely sorry for that. Are you getting, children? But my intention is what? I want to give you a good knowledge. And I want to make you to score a very good marks. That is what my intention and aim. Behind that, our Evershine Coaching Center is helping all the students. Are you getting my point? By using this YouTube platform. So wish you all the best of luck, children. Still, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it, Evershine Coaching Group, and share this video to your all friends. Understood? Like, share and comment. In the next session, we are going to start up this chapter. Till that time, bye bye. But keep watching.